In this tutorial session, we are going to discuss MS Word practical number 10. So practical number 10, we are looking some arrangements here. First, you need to open Microsoft Word document. So then thereafter page setups, you want to do it. Then after that, I am getting my texts here. Then thereafter, the first texts, you want to increase the font size and make it center alignment. Then the similar font, whatever the fonts you have in your practical sheet, the similar fonts you want to find out from the font palette. Okay, then I will increase more. Then thereafter, we need to underline the texts there. Then thereafter, the paragraphs, body part. Justified alignment. Then this make it bold. Those part you will do it, I think, making this bold. And after this paragraph, just increase the intent. Normally, what you want to do it, enter, then you can increase. Otherwise, if you want to get like that, you can justify and keep it. Then bullet points. So here you want to include the bullet star, then the tick, then you need to increase the intent of this one. Okay, then this is also include diamond shape. Then those are numbered already. Just I will remove it and I will renumber it. Okay, so then here just number, then increase the intent, center, make it bold, increase size. So all the texts you want to, increase the size little bit. Then finally in the default place you can save it. So this is very simple practical. So you want to get more in the proper arrangement of these things. So this is also very basic things. Okay, so like this way you can complete the practical number 10.